Hello students. Students, various queries of recently I've been getting it uh, among the students about whether the the MCQ set and the integrated case studies which has been released by the ICI in respect of various study materials and all, are they need to be covered? I can understand May 21 students, those who are there, they are primarily are like, because of the factor of the the time factor, they may feel that it becomes difficult for them. And so far as the November 21 attempt students is concerned, for them this is just more like a clarificatory point which I just need to talk about it. Before I get into that particular point, students, very quickly I'll just let you know, all those who are having May 21 November 21 attempt students, in Unacademy tomorrow we are starting up with the live bullet revision. So as the name suggests, it's a bullet revision. So it's a 15-20 hours, 20 hours approximately, a bullet revision of all the topics which are being there in your syllabus. And in that topic, all the critical areas, we are going to quickly do a revision. Obviously students, as the name itself makes it very clear, it's like a bullet, means it would be an express fast. We will not be much into the concept, but we will be addressing those tricky areas of each and every topic, incorporating all the tricky areas of the MCQs, case studies and the practical problems which has been reported in the ICI material so far. So those are the things that would be considered and covered up in a very smart way, so as to give a very decisive edge for all the students appearing for May 21 November 21 attempt. It is a must attend session, students. I think all the faculties will have an hour each or so. DT, I'm going to have it at 8:15 p.m. in the evening, and that would be around 1 hour 15 minutes or so. So every day we will be meeting up you in the evening for this bullet revision series, and that will make you exam ready, students. My major focus would be also to ensure that all the very difficult MCQs and the question that has been targeted critical adjustment, I will also try to deal with it in my lecture series itself in this bullet revision that we are going to have it starting from tomorrow. Now coming on to this particular, the larger question that has been addressed or been asked repeatedly by students. See students, May 21 students, all of you just pay attention. Those who are having May 21 and they haven't touched anything about it, about these MCQs and all, which the ICI has released it. At this point of time, my humble suggestion is that please don't then try to deal with it. Tomorrow, if supposedly there is a postponement of the examination comes into picture, then definitely you should then make a very important attempt to make this particular part. For DT part, students, I will just say that we have released 7 MCQs set of PDF along with the lectures, and the 9 MTPs are already being, I think 9 MTPs were also being released. All the students are aware of those particular materials which are already there in the circulation. So those of the students who actually want to really go about it, for all these students, my humble suggestion to all of you would be this, that do ensure on one thing, that all the coverage that we are going to have it, primarily, at least do the 7 MCQ file. If at all your examination gets postponed, if at all the examination gets postponed, otherwise leave it completely, because if those who have not done at all anything right now, then it's pointless to do anything at this stage. So the bare minimum, if supposedly for May 21 examination, provided the examinations are getting pushed up further, for this scenario would be that 7 MCQ, the 7 MCQ file plus one more set runs in 1 MTP. There is only 1 MTP which I'll request to all of you to do it. That is the Grand MTP2, the last MTP2. The Grand MTP2, that is the only particular thing which I'll suggest to you. So 7 MCQ plus the 1 Grand MTP2 is what you will have to refer it for. Same thing you can just check out with the with the other subjects. What is it bare minimum that you need to do for all the May 21 students? Again, I'm repeating, for May 21, if you haven't touched it at all, probably you should not do it at this stage, at this point of time. Only when there is a postponement announcement, if at all they do it, that you should touch this particular thing. Because I strongly will suggest to all my students, and I have been telling to all my students, that nothing new has to be referred in last 40 days of your examination. Last 40 days. Primarily. So in that situation, in this context, students, you should not then be referring to any new stuffs which are going to be there. So just ignore it completely. Okay. So that is one thing which has been there. But yeah, if suppose something pushed, the dates are being pushed, then maybe you can just touch upon. At least for DT, I have told you what. For other subjects also, very selectively, only those important areas you will try to factor in. November 21 students, you will have to do it. Primarily because maybe for May 21, maybe, I'm just saying maybe, that they may not be targeting these MCQ. Why is it so? Because this MCQ series on the new set has been released in the month of February. And the level of questions are, the level of case studies are really very, very high. So it's a very high level or high set of case studies in the questionnaire that has been set up. So I strongly, and we strongly very feel that in this context, that in this particular situation, the ideal scenario would be that the students should be majorly focusing upon, they should be focusing upon what, students? They should be focusing upon the entire set of for all the subjects for November 21 attempt, entire set of case studies, the new material, the new questionnaire. I think even the FR has gone for a good change over. So all November 21 students, you don't have any other option, but you have to do it thoroughly. The time is there at your disposal just to ensure that please do it as early as possible, because at least you will require 2 revision, because the question level is so high that it will require 2 revision. So therefore my humble suggestion, that is out of the feedback which the students have given to me. Plus at least for DT I can say that level of the case studies and the MCQs is very high, because we have done those video lectures of all the MCQs and the MTPs, and that is what I can make it out, the kind of the level that has been targeted in this particular MCQ series which they have released in the month of February. So November 21 students, you will have to target 2 revision for these all the new additions that has taken place in the month of February. Keep that particular perspective in mind, and therefore you should not wait for quite a long time. Just ensure that the first reading, at least the first reading, should be there somewhere in the month of May or June, and then plan up for your revision on that as soon as possible. Okay, so this is what I just thought of. Because of the many queries and all, individually it becomes very difficult for me also to keep on addressing these things. So I thought just to come up and give up these kind of a short clips and guidance. And I'll be coming up with those. There are many general queries which are coming up, and therefore I thought instead of giving one-on-one, it is better to express it out to all the audience at large. Okay, you do prepare yourselves. Plus students, do take care of yourself. That is very critical, because frankly speaking, we are just recovering in this particular pandemic and all. Please do take extra care. Don't be adventurous at this very difficult time, because the second wave is, I should admit, primarily it is really very dangerous. So just stay at home, drink a lot of hot waters, plenty of hot water, take steam, ensure that you are in best of the shape, primarily because the stakes are really very, very high. See you then, students. Take care. God bless to all of you. Thank you.